Phrasal verbs with sentences. Break up. Separate. Split up. The couple decided to break up after a long discussion. I heard Sarah and John broke up last week. Pick up. Collect. I'll pick up the package from the post office. I need to pick up my luggage from the airport. Tear up. Damage. Destroy. Rip apart. Why did you tear up your notebook? She tore up the letter after reading it. Run away. Escape. The man ran away from the fire to save himself. The robber tried to run away from the police, but they caught him. Call off. Cancel. We need to call off the meeting because the boss is sick. They had to call off the picnic because of the rain. Look for. Search for. He looks for a new house in the city. Sarah is looking for her keys. She can't find them. Look after. Take care of. The babysitter looks after the newborn boy while his parents are out. Can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? Look up. Search for. I need to look up the meaning of this word in the dictionary. He had to look up the number of the restaurant. Look out. Be cautious. When crossing the street, always look out for traffic. Look out for your little brother while we're at the park. Turn on. Switch on. Please turn on the lights, it's too dark in here. Can you please turn on the TV? I want to watch the news. Turn off. Switch off. I always turn off notifications on my phone when I need to focus. Don't forget to turn off the lights when you leave the room. Turn up. Increase in volume. Can you turn up the volume on the TV? It's too quiet. I turned up my phone's volume to hear the music better. Turn down. Reject. He turned down the job offer because the salary was too low. I had to turn down the invitation because I wasn't feeling well. Wake up. Stop sleeping. She wakes up early to go for a run. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Get up. Stop sleeping and leave bed. It's time to get up and start the day. He always gets up before sunrise to exercise. Get in. Enter. Please get in the car, we're leaving soon. He can't get in the house, the door is locked. Get out. Exit. Leave. Get out of the car, we've arrived at the grocery store. I need to get out of the house for some fresh air. Get on. The kids get on the bus every morning for school. Hurry, we need to get on the train before the doors close. Get off. Leave. The kids get off the school bus and run to their houses. We have to get off the train at the next station. Get over. Recover from. The medicine helped him get over his fever faster. She got over the flu in just a few days. Put on. Wear. I need to put on my coat before we go outside. She put on her favorite dress for the party. Take off. Remove. I take off my shirt before entering the bathroom for a shower. I need to take off my jacket because it's getting warm. Take out. Throw away/out. He takes out the trash every evening after dinner. She took out the spoiled food from the fridge. Grow up. Mature. Become an adult. She grows up into a beautiful woman. You're a teenager now, it's time to grow up and take responsibility. Hold on. Wait. Can you hold on for a moment? I'll be right back. Hold on, I need to find my keys before we leave. Bring back. Return. Can you bring back my book from the library? I'll bring back your book tomorrow. Call back. Return a phone call. She asked him to call back tomorrow for the answer. Could you please call back later? I'm in a meeting right now. Turn up. Arrive. He didn't turn up for the meeting, so we started without him. I hope he turns up on time for the meeting. Give up. Quit. He gave up his dreams of starting a business. Don't give up on your dreams, keep working towards them. Set up. Establish. Organize. He set up a meeting with his team to discuss the project. The hikers decided to set up camp near the lake. Go on. Continue. The movie will go on despite the rain. Please go on speaking, I'm listening. Find out. Discover. I want to find out the movie time. We finally found out who left the window open.